What's happening, everyone? Really excited to take a few minutes here to walk through the Go challenge with you. I'm actually going to log into a promoter's account. Her name is Jennifer. She gave me permission to go into her account just so I can show you where you can find the Go challenge and how you can track it. So this is really great information. And it also helps you know, like, kind of the process. And here's what's neat. You have three kind of opportunities over the first 90 days of getting started with us to hit the challenge. And you can actually hit it 3 times in a row. Or you can just, kind of build up to it and then hit it. But I'm going to show you all that here in just a sec. And we're going to walk through your back office here as well. So let me hit a button here and share my screen. Perfect. All right, here we are. We're inside of an account. We basically have just logged in. And you can see we're inside of Jennifer's account here. Now, one thing to note, if I ever ask you, let me move this. If I ever ask, or if you are ever asked, hey, what's your referral code? All you have to do is look in front of this challenge.com or in front of shopketo.com. This is your referral code. So Jennifer Horst is the referral code. Mine is Nick. Yours might be a series of letters or numbers, or it might be something that you set up. If you do want to modify it, again, you're going to click on settings, and then inside of settings, you're going to go into referrer code right there. Okay, and you can edit and save it. So let's go back and let's go to rewards. Now, before we do that, I'm going to go into community here, and I want to show you something. Jennifer just enrolled her first promoter last night, which is really exciting. Congratulations, Jennifer. And also, she had somebody that started to create an account, but doesn't look like she completed the account. So as this pulls up, you're going to see some icons in here and some names. Now, if somebody's icon is purple, it means they're a promoter. If they're green, it means they're a customer. If they have an orange dot next to the icon, then it means they've enrolled as a smart chip. If they are just gray, it means they started an account but did not complete it. So David here, we need to message David and say, hey, David, let's make sure you set up your smart chip so you get access to free product and are on the ongoing best discount, best price. So we need to get David to do that. Looks like Shar started the process, but never completed it. So she is not yet a customer. Okay, now let's go ahead, and this shows you right here, group volume, the amount of volume that was triggered by his order. You don't get team volume for your own purchases, so that's why you don't see it here. But I'll just show you kind of more specifically. So under rewards, when you click on this, this is kind of going to show you your rank. So this is the rank box, and you can see Jennifer is rank 1 star. Congratulations. Now, once you get past the 300 in team volume, meaning if your customer goes in and orders, it will bump this up and you'll go on to the next rank. If you want to see what it takes to get to rank 2, you click on that and it shows we need 500 team volume, 1,500 in group volume. Put the cursor over or touch it on your phone and it will show you what you have versus what you need. Now, the one I want everybody to focus on for now is this Go challenge box, and you open it up and you'll see that we have MVP 1, MVP 2, MVP 3, and All-Star. All-Star is basically helping 4 personally enrolled promoters hit MVP. Whether it's 1, 2, or 3, if you have 4 individual people hit MVP in any of these phases, then you'll get All-Star. It's $1,000. If you did the mega pack, you actually get $2,000, which is cool. So let's go to the first MVP cycle now. Note, this started, it was actually yesterday, November 15th, and it goes through December 15th. So it's a 30-day cycle that she has in order to hit MVP. Now let's see what we need. We need 3 customers. So far, no customers have enrolled, just a promoter. So we don't see that bar filling up yet. We need 2,000 in qualifying volume. Now, for your MVP 1, you can use 500 of your own purchases. So if you bought the mega or the max, you can use 500 of that. The mega is 1,000, the max is 500. So if you buy the mega, you max it out. If you buy the max, you get the 500, you max it out also. Now, Jennifer, I believe, started with the mini, so it's 250, but then she's ordered some other products since then, so it's kind of gotten up there. In fact, she's maxed out that 500 because she has, this was from her new promoter, which is 250 plus the 500 that she's maxed out from herself. So she's got 750 of the 2,000 that she needs to hit this bonus. Now, if we click on more info, it's going to show you what you'll get. You're going to get $500 one-time cash bonus. You're also going to unlock some stuff when you hit rank 7 and above, which is cool. And you're going to increase your commissions on your kind of downline promoters that come in. So this is really cool. So if her promoter enrolls somebody, that would be level 2. She's going to double that commission. And level 3, she's going to double that commission also. So it's a really cool, cool thing to unlock. Now, she needs between now and December 15th, have 2,000 in volume. So needs 1,250 more. Remember, each box of Nat is worth 80. The mini is 250. The max is 500. The mega is 1,000. So Jennifer, if you just go and enroll, let's say you enrolled a max and then got a couple more customers, you'd be right there. Or let's say you enrolled a, mega. Let's say you enrolled another person with a mini, and then you got 4 or 5 more customers, you'll be right there. But all of the orders that they place are cumulative, so they'll keep adding this up. So we have plenty of time for you to hit this. I'm really excited for you to hit it. Let's go ahead and go back. And we'll just take a look at the second piece here. This is MVP 2. And this will start the Monday after you complete MVP 1. So if you don't hit MVP 1, which we're going to put it out there that you're going to hit it, it will start on December 16th. You can see that right here, and you'll have 30 full days to do it. So if you don't hit it, it just starts over. The volume does not carry over. It has to be new volume. However, as long as you have 3 customers that order during this cycle, they will count. And again, it's just 2,000 in qualifying volume. Now, your own personal orders will not count towards this, but any SmartShip customers that you enroll, their reorder will count as that new volume, that first reorder, that first SmartShip that runs. Not like the second, the third, the fourth, but that first actual SmartShip that hits will count, which is really, really cool. And then you're gonna run for it again. So these are all $500 bonus if you hit it, $500 bonus if you hit it, and then All-Star, like I mentioned in the beginning, is 1,000. Now, weekly bonuses, what you will see here is MVP multiplier. We're going to start doing that after we do the 3 cycles of MVP. Then you get to start running for MVP multiplier. That's a calendar month bonus. Don't worry about that now. MVP mentor bonus is what you'll get paid when you help somebody hit MVP. So for example, Jennifer has that new promoter. If he hits MVP, she's going to get an extra $50, which is really cool. Now the Go Fast bonus, this is what you get paid when you have new promoters that order. And you can see hers was 30. You can come in here and you'll see how it was paid. $30, 20% of the commissionable value from her level 1. So that's kind of how you can track that. Now, there's not going to be nothing in the monthly bonus because she doesn't have any customers order yet, but most of your customers, most of your money is going to come through here. And when you have customers, you're going to get paid retailer bonus on them. You're also going to get paid residual commission on them. So those will start to populate and you can see what you get paid. So essentially they pay you on both of those. Now, if your promoter has orders after their first month, or when they have orders, you'll see that show up here. And there's other bonuses that start to light up as you kind of progress through our plan. So that is what we want to focus on for now. That is the Go Challenge. Hopefully that helps clear up any questions that you guys have. I want all of you to strive to hit MVP. And remember, it's something that if you hit it on cycle 1, awesome. If you hit it on cycle 2, awesome. If you hit it on cycle 3, awesome. If you don't hit it until cycle 3, well, you're going to get the $500 bonus here. And we're learning along the way. All of us are starting at a different spot, right? Some of us come with the understanding, the know-how of this style of business. Some of us are coming with a network of people that we know. Some of us are just starting from scratch. We're learning, we're meeting people, we're developing those relationships. There's no right or wrong. There's just your way, right? Your way is the right way as long as we're doing something every day. It's not about doing crazy amounts. It's about doing one little thing, one little action a day, one new conversation, one new post, adding some new friends on Facebook. If we're consistent with that, this business unfolds over time. If you haven't heard my story, my first 30 days in this style of business was back in 2009. Didn't know what I was doing. I didn't have a big network. Honestly, I didn't enroll anybody. I worked my tail off. I talked to a lot of people, did not have a lot of success. My first customer, or actually first promoter, I enrolled 30 days in. It was April 30th of 2009, and it was actually my dad. I remember getting a call from my sponsor saying, "Oh my gosh, congratulations, you got your first sale, you did it." I'm like, "Corey, it was my dad. It was a pity sign up." And I remember him saying, "Nick, it doesn't matter. You're doing it. You're going to be amazing." So I'm telling you, I don't care where you're at right now in this business, you're doing it. You're going to be amazing. And you know what? I became amazing, right? If I look back and say, well, was I amazing in the beginning? No, but what's amazing is that I kept going. I kept having conversations. I kept learning. I kept tweaking. I realized that, hey, if I can figure this out, this will be an amazing opportunity. It will be an incredible way to earn an income. It will be an incredible business. I believe that you, if you're watching this right now, I believe that you, if you put the effort, the energy, time, over time, are going to be able to create whatever you want with this. It may not happen overnight. It did not for me, right? I'm not an overnight success. I'm a 10-year overnight success. It took me years of just consistent effort, learning, growing, sharing, learning, growing, sharing, learning, growing, sharing, that allowed us to create what we've created here. So I'm excited for you. If you guys have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And hopefully this to kind of explain the rewards. We'll talk to you guys soon.